Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about the secret to high converting Amazon product images. Let's get into it.
The fastest way to grow sales on Amazon in 2025 is by increasing CTR, click-through rate. And the number one factor influencing CTR is the product's main image. If customers can't understand what your product is in less than 2 seconds, they will scroll past it. Consider supplements with hard-to-read labels, or technology products where accessories aren't visible. If it's unclear what comes in the box, the listing instantly loses clicks. Adding clear, readable keywords or benefits on the image can make a significant difference. While this may not fully align with Amazon's terms, in practice, it often drives higher CTR and can be corrected quickly if suppressed. Conversion rate is equally important. On Amazon, the average falls between 8 to 12%. Reaching 13 to 15% is excellent, but going too high, above 16%, can signal underspending on ads. A high conversion rate with low ad spend means lost opportunities for traffic and customer acquisition. The solution is to scale advertising across different placements, such as sponsored display, DSP, or video ads, while maintaining profitability. Beyond the main image, secondary images play a major role in conversions. Simple product shots are not enough. Lifestyle images that show the product in real use are far more effective. For example, a water bottle should be shown in someone's hand while drinking, or a beauty cream should be displayed open with visible texture. These visuals allow customers to imagine themselves using the product, which increases the likelihood of purchase. Equally important is customer targeting through imagery. A common mistake is combining audiences into one listing. For example, showing both cats and dogs for pet products. This dilutes relevance. Splitting listings and tailoring images to specific audiences creates stronger connections and reduces friction in the buying process. Images also need to be designed with mobile shopping in mind. Most Amazon users browse on their phones, so ensuring images are at least 1600 by 1600 pixels helps them display larger and clearer. The principle is simple. Text serves algorithms, images serve people. While keywords should fill the written content, photos must remain clean, direct, and compelling. Video content is another underutilized asset. Amazon now features videos in multiple placements beyond the listing itself, offering additional visibility and persuasive power. Incorporating product videos creates trust, provides clarity, and often accelerates the buying decision. In summary, the secret to high converting Amazon product images lies in balancing clarity, strategy, and emotional connection. The main image drives attention. Lifestyle images establish trust and relatability. Optimized sizing ensures mobile dominance, and videos enhance engagement. Together, these elements maximize CTR, improve conversions, and create a strong foundation for long-term growth on Amazon.
If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.